During the height of the pandemic, many restrictions were put in place to keep the public safe. One restriction in particular forced people to miss out on a chance to say goodbye to their loved ones. Today, Governor Kay Ivey signed a bill that would erase that fear from families. Our Ken McCoy is here to tell us more. Ken, what have you learned?
Kanisha, losing a loved one can be a difficult experience for anyone, but not having the chance to say goodbye can be a very unbearable experience.
In 2021, I lost my own mother. And what haunted me was not the fact that I lost my mother, but what haunted me was the fact that my mother may have thought that we abandoned her because we were not with her when she needed us the most.
Today, Governor Ivey signed into law Senate Bill 113, also known as the Harold Sachs and Ann Roberts Law. The law ensures that loved ones who are sick from an illness are not denied visits from a family member and do not pass away alone.
I started nursing school during the height of this pandemic in the spring of 2020. During that time, as a first semester nursing student, I was allowed into isolation rooms. I could walk in, I could care for these patients. So when my grandfather was diagnosed with COVID and hospitalized in the fall of 2020, and I didn't get to be there with him during that time, it was completely heartbreaking to me.
UAH grad Emmy Baldwin is the founder of Poppy's Purpose. Named after her grandfather, it aims to stress the importance of holistic health.
During nursing school, something that we talked a lot about was holistic health. And to be holistically healthy, you have to be not just physically healthy, but spiritually and mentally healthy as well. You know, our nurses and doctors, they did great. They did everything they could, but sometimes you just need that familiar face in the room with you. You need that familiar touch to be there with you.
A touch that can make all the difference.
We were having to have a lot of conversations about decision making over the phone. We were having to facilitate conversations between families and terminal patients by FaceTime and other artificial means. When someone is experiencing an illness, there's a lot of unknowns, there's a lot of anxiety. There are a lot of changes going on with their body and their emotional experience of that. Having the family there to support them provides a benefit, therapeutic benefit, because they feel like they're not alone and they have someone to lean on.
All right, guys, details on SB 113 can be found on our website at fox54.com.